Hi guys, quick video review here about the Cosuvow S1 Dash Cam. Says 4K Ultra HD Wi-Fi Dash Cam. What's the very interesting thing is that it's super small and still has high resolution, but we do not have any kind of screen, so it's fully relying on an app, or actually also of course on the micro SD card which you have here inside, which is supposed to record everything. So if you don't want to block too much space on your windshield, then this could be an awesome solution. Of course it doesn't have any additional camera, no cabin camera or so, but it looks pretty solid. Doesn't have a suction cup, just this 3M tape here, and we have the on off button, and we can adjust the angle of the camera, of course based on the angle of the windshield. Of course we have power cable for the cigarette lighter adapter, but you can use any kind of USB-C power. By the way, a 32GB storage card is included. So because it doesn't have any screen, it will inform you with the speakers. When you plug it in, you get some information. And if you have not formatted the microSD card, it will also tell you to format it. You can just push then this button and it will format it, and it will confirm when it's finished. I've already done this, so I'm ready. I've also downloaded the app and even added the camera, and to connect we have to click here, and then in the Wi-Fi setting we have to connect to the S1. Of course it doesn't have internet connection, but just leave it like that on the Wi-Fi of this camera, and it says camera connected, and you can see what's going to happen. At least for me it's a little bit crazy. It is saying recording paused here on top, tries a couple of times, and then says abnormal playback, please return and try again. And I've tried this over and over and over and nothing works. I mean, I can start this and it says recording started, but it stays on 0, doesn't really record anything, doesn't show live image. But I can go to the settings, so there's definitely some connection here. I can adjust a couple of things, even reformat the micro SD card, which I've already done, so it's not helping. I've also tried another micro SD card from my side. I've also tried to format the micro SD card outside in a computer, but it seems to require its own format. So when you format it like FAT32 on a computer, put it back here, it will still require you to reformat it again in the dash cam. You click here, it says formatted, but it still won't connect, won't play, won't record. I've also checked then on the micro SD card, there is nothing recorded. So for me definitely does not work. The concept seems to be good. Maybe it will work on iPhone or so, but definitely for Android I would be very careful ordering this thing here. For me definitely does not work. And so that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or want to share your own experience with this dash cam, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.